Hi class, welcome back. It's always nice to be here. Thank you for sending me your activities. Thank you for working like that. You are an excellent group. You are excellent students and I'm super thankful for being your teacher, right? So, first of all, I want to start this class by doing a review about the activities that we had at the last video. And we did activities on pages 29 and 30 for the workbook. Today we are going to use the workbook 2, is the last page, and tomorrow we are going to start unit 4. Now, but we are going to check and review for the last time maybe the activities. So first of all, I want to do a review about could, that it's a model, but it's super important for this unit because we did some activities, but some of you seem to be having questions about this, right? And it's okay, I totally understand it. And I'm also going to be showing you again that we have the structure. Please copy this in your notebook. It's pretty important to have this on your notebook because it's going to help you to study for the exam. Now, if you have it, it's going to be like easier to do the exercises because you can check the notes that you have in there. So, and to make questions with could, we start by how could, then the subject, and then the verb can be raise, sell, make, draw. There are some different verbs, but I just mentioned the ones that we are using in this unit. Then we have the answer. How do we answer to these questions? Yes, of course, we always start by the subject. Then we are going to use could and then the verb. For example, how could we raise money for the track team? We could sell water bottles. And I underline the important words like how could or we could. Like, and the second example says, how could we raise money for animal shelters? We could sell lemonade. And that's it. So now we have going to that it's important. Why? Because we use it to talk about activities that we have planned, about saying, about talking about the future or in the future. Like we have some questions in here. In this unit we are using this much as like questions and also like answers. Sentences, not in a negative way, but we have it in here. We start the questions. Esta es la estructura solo para las preguntas, ¿ok? Ya para las oraciones y las respuestas es diferente y luego lo vamos a checar en las actividades que vamos a hacer. Okay, we always start by am, is, or are, okay? That's the verb to be. You are going to choose between am, is, or are. Then we are going to use the subject, then going to, and the last part is the verb. Okay, so now we have this example. Are you going to have a cake sale? We know that are is used with you, okay? And I underline and put in bold going to. Yes, we are. Entonces contestaríamos de la misma forma. The subject and the verb to be. Como ya usamos are, vamos a contestar con are, okay? The second example says, are you going to make posters? Yes, I am. It's the same structure. So now we can go to the activities on workbook page 31. Activity 24 says, how can these students raise money for their school fair? Write suggestions with could. And it says, number 1, I'm Maria, I have a lot of books. I don't need them. Okay, Maria, thank you. Now, you are going to give us an idea. Maria could rent her books. Maria could give away her books. Okay, you are going to write sentences with could, okay? Number 2, I'm Fred. I'm really good at painting t-shirts. Okay, so Fred could paint t-shirts and sell them. Fred could paint some t-shirts for the staff, etc. Number 3, I'm Eric. I have a video camera and I enjoy making videos. Okay, so Eric can record a video and post it on the school website. And I'm Gabby. Number 4, I really enjoy writing. Okay, Gabby could write an article. Gabby could write an article to invite people. This is an idea. Okay, don't forget to use could. Now we have activity 25 and it looks like a little bit long, and we are going to use, and this is a conversation between letter A and letter B. Activity 25, complete the dialogue, use am, is, are and going to. Esto significa que vamos a usar going to con am, con is o con are, no con las tres, recuerda. And then you're going to read this. Pay attention to this. I'm not going to read this whole activity for you because it will take me a lot, but you need to pay attention. For example, in number 1, if they are giving you 2 blanks, it means that in each blank you are going to write, en el primero escribirías the correct form of the verb to be and then going to. Si te están dando we aquí, tienes que recordar, we se utiliza con am, is or are y lo pones aquí, y en la otra línea escribirías going to, ¿ok? Y si solo te dan una línea, entonces vas a escribir we are going to, and or she is going to, or something like that, and that's it. So these are the only activities that we have for today. Don't forget to send a picture to me of this page and these activities so I can check them. Write your name and also the date. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice and beautiful day. Goodbye.